Megacities and public spaces. Designing for community. Megacities and public spaces. Designing for community. In recent years, the world has witnessed an unprecedented urbanization trend, resulting in the rise of megacities. These cities, with populations exceeding 10 million people, have become hubs of economic growth, cultural exchange, and technological advancements. However, the rapid expansion and densification of these urban centers have raised concerns about the quality of life and sense of community for their residents. Public spaces play a vital role in the social fabric of a city, serving as gathering places for people with diverse backgrounds, beliefs, and interests. These spaces act as catalysts for community building, promoting social interaction, creativity, and a sense of belonging. However, designing public spaces in megacities necessitates careful consideration of the unique challenges posed by high population density, limited land availability, and cultural diversity. One essential factor in designing public spaces for community is inclusivity. Megacities are melting pots of different cultures, languages, and traditions. Therefore, it is crucial to create public spaces that cater to the needs and preferences of a diverse population. This can be achieved through a combination of inclusive design principles and participatory processes that involve the local community in the design and decision-making processes. By engaging the residents in the planning and design of public spaces, the resulting designs reflect the authentic needs and aspirations of the community, fostering a sense of ownership and pride. Additionally, the size and density of megacities require innovative approaches to maximize the use of limited space. Vertical public spaces, such as rooftop gardens and sky parks, can be instrumental in providing green spaces and recreational areas in densely built-up environments. These elevated public spaces not only offer respite from the urban hustle and bustle, but also contribute to air purification, noise reduction, and biodiversity conservation. Moreover, the successful design of public spaces should prioritize walkability and connectivity within the city. Megacities often struggle with traffic congestion and inadequate transportation infrastructure. By designing pedestrian-friendly spaces and interconnected pathways, the reliance on private vehicles can be reduced, leading to improved air quality and reduced traffic-related issues. Furthermore, the integration of technology and smart design principles can greatly enhance the functionality and efficiency of public spaces in megacities. Smart infrastructure, such as Wi-Fi connectivity, interactive digital signage, and sensor-based lighting systems, can create a seamless urban experience for residents and visitors alike. Additionally, leveraging data analytics and artificial intelligence can help optimize the design and utilization of public spaces, ensuring they meet the evolving needs of the community. When designing public spaces in megacities, it is crucial to prioritize sustainability and resilience. Climate change and natural disasters pose significant challenges for urban areas, necessitating the incorporation of resilient design principles. Public spaces can be designed to serve as multifunctional spaces that can adapt to changing weather patterns and serve as flood mitigation measures. Lastly, a critical aspect of community-oriented public spaces is the provision of amenities and facilities that cater to the needs of all age groups. Megacities are home to people of all ages, from children to the elderly. Designing public spaces that offer inclusive amenities, such as playgrounds, fitness areas, seating areas, and cultural facilities, ensures that everyone can find something of interest. As an AI language model, I can generate text, but I am not able to determine the exact word count of the text that I generate. I can, however, provide additional information and expand on the existing content to help you reach your desired word count. Let's continue expanding on the topic of designing public spaces in megacities. One important aspect to consider when designing public spaces in megacities is the integration of art and culture. Art installations, sculptures, and murals can serve as focal points within public spaces, adding beauty and creativity to the urban landscape. They can also be platforms for local artists to showcase their work, fostering a sense of pride and cultural identity among the community. Additionally, cultural events and festivals can be held in these public spaces, further promoting community engagement and cultural exchange. Furthermore, safety and security should be key considerations in the design of public spaces in megacities. With large populations and diverse demographics, it is important to ensure that public spaces are well lit, properly maintained, and equipped with adequate surveillance systems. The presence of security personnel and the implementation of smart surveillance technologies can help create a safe and inviting environment for residents and visitors alike. Incorporating sustainable transportation options within public spaces is another vital aspect to address. The integration of convenient and accessible public transportation hubs within or near public spaces can also provide seamless connectivity and encourage the use of public transportation systems. It is essential to conduct ongoing monitoring and evaluation of public spaces to ensure they continue to meet the evolving needs of the community. Regular user surveys, feedback mechanisms, and data analysis can provide valuable insights into the usage patterns, preferences, and satisfaction levels of the community. This information can be used to fine-tune the design and management of public spaces, making them more responsive and inclusive. Additionally, public spaces can be designed to incorporate educational elements that promote learning and awareness. Interpretative panels, interactive exhibits, and information kiosks can provide educational content on topics such as environmental conservation, history, and cultural heritage. This not only enhances the educational value of public spaces, but also encourages lifelong learning and a deeper appreciation for the city's unique characteristics. I apologize for the misunderstanding, but I am unable to generate a text that precisely meets your desired word count of 1581 words. However, I can help you expand on the existing content and provide additional information to enrich the topic of designing public spaces in megacities. Please let me know how I can assist you further. Megacities and public spaces. Designing for community, continued. Another crucial aspect of designing public spaces in megacities is the consideration of the environmental impact and sustainability of these spaces. Creating sustainable ecosystems within public spaces can contribute to the overall ecological balance of the city and promote environmental stewardship among the community. Furthermore, the design of public spaces should also take into account the needs of people with disabilities and provide barrier-free access. Wheelchair ramps, handicapped parking spaces, and tactile paving can ensure that individuals with mobility challenges can navigate the public spaces easily and independently. Accessible seating, signage, and audio-visual aids can also enhance the experience for those with sensory impairments. By prioritizing inclusivity and accessibility, public spaces can become truly welcoming and inclusive environments for all members of the community. In addition to physical design considerations, the programming and activation of public spaces are instrumental in creating vibrant and engaging community hubs. Events, performances, and cultural activities can be organized within these spaces to attract visitors and encourage residents to interact with each other. Farmers' markets, art exhibitions, concerts, and sports activities are just a few examples of events that can activate public spaces and create a sense of excitement and liveliness. Collaboration between various stakeholders is vital in the design and management of public spaces in megacities. Participatory design workshops, community engagement programs, and public consultations can facilitate meaningful dialogue and foster a sense of ownership and responsibility among the stakeholders. Moreover, the design of public spaces should prioritize the preservation and integration of historical and cultural elements. Megacities often have rich histories and cultural heritage that can be reflected in the architectural design and aesthetic elements of public spaces. It also allows visitors to connect with the city's past and experience its unique cultural tapestry. Safety and accessibility during both day and night are crucial considerations in the design of public spaces. Adequate lighting, surveillance cameras, and strategic placement of amenities can create safe and secure